After the Narcotics Control Bureau filed its charge sheet in the Sushant Singh Rajput drug angle case, Rhea Chakrabarti has responded to the charge sheet in which she's been named as an accused. Rhea's lawyer Satish Manishinde has said, and I quote, all efforts of the NCB have been directed towards Rhea Chakrabarti to somehow rope her in. The charge sheet is a damp squib standing on the foundation of inadmissible evidence and statements recorded under Section 67 of the NDPS Act. Without Rhea Chakrabarti being charged, this case has no substance. The High Court has found no prima facie material at the stage of bail of the accused of the alleged financing of drugs trade. We will have the last laugh. This is the message from Rhea's team, her legal team, putting out this particular statement saying that all of this is nothing but a wild witch hunt against Rhea. Let's take this across also to our reporters on the ground. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us with more details. Mustafa, just tell us exactly what has Rhea's team said in the statement on the NCB charge sheet.
Well, the entire case was based on procuring drugs for late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The drugs was procured by Rhea's brother Shouvik Chakrabarti, and NCB's case was that Rhea was involved in financing those drugs and hence she was arrested in this case, after which a whole charge sheet has been filed. Now, this entire proceeding was done based on the confessional statement made in front of NCB, which due to a Supreme Court judgment is not valid now. So Satish Manishinde, the legal team of Rhea Chakrabarti, is saying that the entire premise of this case will fall apart in the court, because the court has already, while giving Bombay High Court, while giving bail to Rhea Chakrabarti, has said that there is no enough evidence to say that Rhea Chakrabarti was involved in the financing. So that charges goes away. The second charge was based on the confessional statement, which goes away due to the Supreme Court. Satish Manishinde is saying that the case will not stand during the trial in the court, and 12,000 pages charge sheet has been filed in the case. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, getting us those details there on what really Rhea's legal team has said in response to the fact that Rhea's been named as one of the main accused by the NCB in their 30,000-page charge sheet that's been filed in a Mumbai court.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.